If you can't resist a bargain, there's a sale happening this weekend. Rebuilding Together is hosting a large rummage sale that's raising some dollars for the program and upcoming home projects. That's at Rebuilding Together on Main and Bismarck. It's today from 5 until 8 o'clock, and they'll be open again tomorrow from 8 until 1. Rebuilding Together helps out low-income homeowners, especially people who are seniors, who are people with a disability, veterans, and families with children hoping to make repairs on their homes. People who are eligible for the program must be homeowners who live in their home, have homeowners insurance, owe no back taxes, and be unable to handle the repairs themselves. Since they began in 1997, they have helped fix up 208 homes around Bismarck and Mandan, and everything they do is paid for with grants and donations. And they're taking applications for Rebuilding Day in May of next year, and you have until September 30th to send those in. If you wish to apply, you can find more information on how to do that at kxnet.com.